Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Hello guys, in today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze, guys, and if your high beam left headlight doesn't work, guys, we'll show you where the fuse is located, how to replace it, how to test it and all that stuff. Now, it could be of course a bad bulb, guys. This is possible. We have the video on the channel how to replace the bulb, but if it's not the bulb, you put a new bulb and the headlight still doesn't work, most likely, guys, it's a bad fuse, and we'll explain where to find the fuse. We will, guys, have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our goal, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's our mission, guys. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, give a like to the video, and drop a comment below with your recommendations. Even if it's something bad, just tell us what you think so we can improve and we can make better videos for you. So this is, guys, the Cruze right here. And also, let me just quick tell you guys, you can see the left headlight doesn't work on high beams. We will, guys, have more than 200 mechanical videos taking the car completely apart on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. Check it out there as well. Now, I'll go ahead, turn the headlights off. Okay, turn the headlights off, and next we're going to remove the key, turn the ignition off. Perfect. The fuse box, guys, where the headlight fuse is located is actually under the hood. So we need to open the hood now, we need to support it. Okay, perfect. And this is, guys, your fuse box. So this cover now, okay, it needs to come out. How we do that? There is 1, 2, 3 clips that we need to remove, squish towards each other and pull them up. And you're out, guys, just like that. Now, fuse that we're looking at, guys, should be fuse number 38. Okay, this is, guys, your fuse number 38. There is a number next to it that says it's fuse number 38. This is, guys, your fuse puller. In order to remove it, there is one tooth that we need to push back and then you can pull it up. Okay, just like that. Go on top of the fuse, squish it, pull it out. This, guys, is your fuse. You can definitely see that this one is burned, but in some cases it's impossible to tell. So what you could use, guys, a voltmeter. Any voltmeter that checks continuity, guys, can do it, but this one is a very good reader, guys, that we will have listed in the description of the video below. It's a true RMS 2000 count meter, guys. I'm going to touch the fuse, okay, both terminals, and if it's a working fuse, we should get, guys, zeros on the screen. Nothing. I'll get a brand new fuse now, okay. This is, guys, you can find this fuse box, the whole thing, listed in the description of the video below. It's extremely good price, guys, for that. I couldn't believe it was so cheap. So check it out. You have so many fuses and you won't need to worry about buying fuses again. So the new fuse, okay, the reading that we get out of a good fuse, okay, it should be zeros because there is communication from one end of the fuse to the other one. When it's blown, that communication is broken. I'll go ahead, plug the fuse in. Okay, now what we'll do, I'm going to go ahead and put the fuse puller here because if we lose it, guys, we cannot use it next time and we cannot remove the fuses without it. And don't forget to put your fuse cover on, but what I'll do, we'll go ahead and test it now and see if that left high beam headlight is actually working. So we have the key in to first position is enough. Okay, and now high beams. Okay, let's see if it's working. That will be the moment of the truth. Yeah, perfect. So thank you for watching, guys. Please.
Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.